If you use Gemini in Google Workspace, so this would be for business or education plans, you've probably seen that it has the Alpha label on it. As you can see in this article here, they are getting rid of the Alpha label and they are now calling it Gemini Beta. Let me switch over to a sheet and show you what that looks like. So this is just Google Sheets. This is just a new sheet. There's nothing really special about this. If I go into the Ask Gemini on the right over here, and then get my little Gemini box over here, and there used to be a little alpha badging here and alpha badging down here. And as you can see, this is now beta. According to the article, let's switch back over. It is just a branding change. So functionally, everything should be the same way it was before. Again, this was about a week ago, but according to this is just the new name more accurately reflects both the scale and quality of the features, etc., etc. We'll link this article in the description if you want to read through it. This is the entire article, so there's really not much here, but it's just a name change. And for the actual implementation, if you're an admin, again, there's no change to these two existing admin controls. You will just see the Gemini Beta label replace Gemini Alpha. End users have no change. Rollout pace, you might not see it for, it says 15 days starting July 22nd. And the availability is down here. Again, it's most either business or education accounts. I mean, that's really it. There's nothing that I can see in here that behaves differently. It just looks different. Same options, same build, deep research, images, canvas, build, everything in here looks exactly the same except for the badging. If you see that, or again, if you're an admin and your users ask you, like, why is this different? Why is this different? It's just a branding change. And again, to more accurately reflect the stage that they're at with Gemini in Workspace. So hopefully that's useful to you, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.